Creating and rebuilding indexes can sometimes take a while to complete. In SQL Server 2017, a capability was added to be able to pause and resume an index rebuild process should you need to complete the task across a maintenance window or after a failover event without having to start all over again. And the rebuild process could do so while the data table remained in an online and editable state. In SQL Server 2019, that capability is extended to the initial index creation process as well. In T-SQL, you'd use the standard create index statement, and you'd add the with online equals on and resumable equals on keywords. I'm going to create a new index in the Wide World Importers database. Now, if you wanted to pause the index creation, you would run this alter index statement here with the pause keyword. Now, I'm probably not going to be fast enough. In fact, this index is already created. So if I go ahead and run this line, I'm going to get this error message telling me that there's actually nothing to pause. However, if I was fast enough, or this index was taking a long time to complete, I would alter the index and resume it here. You can also now make the online and resumable options the default configuration for all data definition language statements that's supported on your database. In order to do that, we need to alter the database scoped configuration and set Elevate Online to when supported, and Elevate Resumable to when supported. With those two options enabled, you don't even need to specify with online equals on and with resumable equals on in your index creation and rebuild scripts. The other two options that we have with Elevate Online and Elevate Resumable is to either set them to off or to fail unsupported. Off will obviously just turn the feature off again, and fail unsupported will fail with a warning message if a DDL statement doesn't support either the online or resumable abilities. Finally, SQL Server 2019 now has the capability to create and alter column store indexes while the data table remains online and able to be modified by users. If I scroll down, we can see the syntax for that. We can create a clustered column store index with online equals on, and we can alter the index and rebuild it with online equals on. Column store indexes are still not resumable, but maybe in SQL Server 2020 they will be. However, with these new additions to the index creation and rebuild processes, they help make your data more available during regular maintenance tasks.